show you a quick and surprising use of the very healthy edamame beans. We're going to make edamame vanilla shake. Am I crazy? Well, this tastes surprisingly amazing. The first shake is the easy version. All you need is a blender. But watch until the end of this video for a pro-level shake. Pour into your blender 150 grams of frozen edamame beans. Add 275 milliliters or grams of milk or soy milk. Scoop in around 3 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. And you're good to go. I'm using my Magic Bullet blender. I love it. If you're interested in this blender, check out my link on the description box below. Blend, stop, and shake. In your regular blender, you might need to mix in with a spoon. Do this a couple of times until you reach the right texture. I like the edamame chunks, so I will not blend too much. So there you have it. It's ready, and it's refreshing and delicious. But let's step into the pro-level version. You will need 2 gadgets, the blender and a whipping siphon. Add melted vanilla ice cream, about 500 milliliters or half a liter. In this video, I'm using 2 chargers for this amount of ice cream, but you could use one if you want to because we're only using half of its capacity. Tilt your siphon down when you're charging. And shake, shake, shake. Put it in the fridge while you continue with the rest of the ingredients. Now toppings. Blend roughly about 2 tablespoons of frozen edamame beans. The recipe is the same as before, so pour into your blender 150 grams of frozen edamame beans, 275 milliliters or grams of milk or soy milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 pinch of salt, close and blend. Now the fun part. Let's finish our shake with our whipping siphon. If you're interested in the whipping siphon, check the link in my description box below. And some edamame beans for crunch and color. Thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video.